Introducing Solus, a high-resolution stereolithography printer that offers a combination of innovation, quality, and reliability you may have never dreamed possible at this price. Unlike most 3D printers, Solus uses a resin that is cured by a DLP projector. The light from the projector hardens the resin one layer at a time, allowing for XY resolutions as small as 25 microns and a Z resolution of just 1 micron, and still with build times that are up to 5 times faster than FDM or 3D laser printers. Imagine buying a car where you never have to change the oil. Our major breakthrough that sets us apart is our patent-pending peeling technology, which has eliminated the need for recoating or replacing the resin tanks, saving both time and money. Built from high-quality stainless steel components and thick, laser-cut anodized aluminum, Solus is built to last. Designed with user-friendly and non-restrictive software, Solus gives you the freedom to use almost any photo resin. With its high resolution, smooth surface finish, and fast build speeds, Solus is perfect for jewelry, design, engineering, research, and medical applications.
A true desktop printer should be compact, good-looking, super easy to use, and most importantly, reliable, right out of the box. And this is why Nia was created. Nia is round, sexy, and minimalistic, but not without cause. Nia's cylindrical shape adds to the overall strength and stability compared to conventional box-shaped printers. We know that desktop real estate is crucial. That's why Nia's footprint to build volume is unmatched. We like to say, you got room for a lamp, you got room for a Nia. Out of the box, Nia is ready to print with easy-to-use, feature-rich software and our very own Cool Spool filament cartridge. However, feel free to use any open-source software and third-party filament that is compatible. Nia will give you the print quality and speed of an expensive machine, but at a much more affordable price. But don't let the prices fool you. Nia is made smart, not cheap. Our printers are designed, manufactured, and assembled right here in North America, using only high-end electronic components and hardware. And in order to be future-ready, Nia is modular. Once upgrades are available, easily swap out the standard components for future innovations that are already in the works. Don't be left behind with an obsolete unit. It's the best of both worlds. Beautiful like a Mac, whoa, but upgradable like a PC. Moving on.
3D printing technology, pretty cool stuff, but let's face it, if you look at 3D printers on the market today, you will find many problems. Now, it was not our intention to just make another printer, but rather to take all of the most desirable features found in the best current models and to combine them into one quality product. Introducing CraftBot, the all-new 3D printer that combines quality and affordability. One problem with many other 3D printers is they simply cannot make larger, often more practical objects. Our solution? We designed a printer with the largest possible build volume and a compact desktop unit. Another common problem with other printers is that the finished prints tend to bend from the plate, making them unusable. The simple solution? A heated build platform that is also easily removable. The best thing about CraftBot is that anybody can use it, and it works right out of the box. CraftBot was created by experienced hardware and software developers working in the industry for over a decade. Our printers are made from high-quality laser-cut metals and CNC milled components. They incorporate an extremely detailed 100 micron per layer resolution. And with CraftBot, you can also use any 1.75 millimeter filament, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your budget. Our printing material is environmentally friendly and presents no hazard to your personal health. The printer can be controlled with CraftWare, our own 3D printer software. We've developed a slicer, which is also the fastest and most efficient in its class. The software is also available for Windows and can be downloaded at any time. And of course, other operating systems will be supported. By combining all these great features, CraftBot 3D printers have the potential to change the way people do 3D printing.
Introducing Stacker, a new kind of 3D printer. Stacker can print multiple copies of an object at the same time in different colors with different kinds of filament. This means Stacker is at least 4 times faster than most other 3D printers. Who said 3D printing had to be slow? Stacker is the first truly commercial-grade 3D printer that's actually affordable. Stacker is durable enough for all-day work on your factory floor and safe enough for busy offices and schools. Stacker's Z-axis can expand to print 24-inch tall objects or just over 600 millimeters. Stacker is available in both desktop and mobile configurations. Stacker is designed to print with many filaments, including high-tech alloys which contain carbon fiber, Kevlar, PTFE, wood, bronze, copper, brass, and bamboo. Stacker is definitely a new kind of 3D printer.